there, welcome back guys. This time I have a good one for you. Yeah, definitely have a good one. I'm gonna give you a review. I would say like probably opinion or perspective. I don't know how many words in English I can think about it, but this time it's all about this little guy here. Yep, the DJI Mavic Mini. I tell you what, I'm impressed. What do you guys think? To be honest, I think this is a really good tool that you guys can have to improve your channel, to get the shots you want, and I do really recommend it. Seriously, I mean, you can beat the price, you can beat the battery life, you can beat, you know, the camera quality. I mean, it's actually a very useful tool that I use most of the time. Anyways, excuse me. Yeah, I just want to say hello.
Excuse me,
I'm a big fan, but I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. I know, but I want to learn how to fly it. I mean, is that
what do you mean?
Is something that I can just have? Well, you have to watch the video, sir. Okay. Yeah, I'm a big fan. Is that? Oh, you believe this guy?
Is that for you?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what. What about I take you outside and I teach you how to fly the drone?
I appreciate it.
Does that work?
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Well, will you let me finish the video?
Subscribe.
Cool.
Subscribe.
All right.
Subscribe to the
See you
channel
later,
so
buddy.
you can have
You
fun.
have a good one. Wow. Unbelievable. People just interrupt you like that. I guess my YouTube channel it's getting better. Huh? Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys.